Hello everyone, in this lecture we will make calculator. This is already calculator that I made it before. So if we make calculation like 33 plus 5, it will equal 38, that's correct. Divided by 2, it will be 19. Minus by 9, it will be 10. Multiplied by 7, it will be 70. That's working correctly. So we'll make something like this. We will start by making new project, create new Xcode project. Then we go to choose app, then we go give a name for the project, we make it calculator, and we can name it calculator lecture, like whatever you want to name it, it's up to you. We make it calculator lecture 5 here. We go next, we create it on the application folder, we create it there. When you want to look for your project, you can find it in the application folder, so you know exactly where it's been saved. Even when you open the project, you can see it. Now it's coming. All project is getting created. We come to main. Here we have the main view of the application of calculator application that will be there. In this lecture we will use something different than other lectures. We will use some images to make our calculator. As we see, the calculator was different from the standard one, so we'll start to make something different. So we have main, we have assist under of it. Here we can add app icon, whatever we want. We can add other images by clicking add and giving name and give picture in 1x, 2x, 3x. When it's a different resolution, so you can, whatever you provided, you will make the resolution better. So you come to our calculator assist. Here we have all images. We can add it one by one. We can add the 2x as well if we have better resolution, and also 3x if it's best resolution we can add it there. We can add a different way from here also. We can make it import from here, from our folder exactly, or drag and drop it. We select all of them except the one, because already we inserted. We make open. All of them, it will come with their name. The name will be taken from the image name that already assigned for it. We come to the main. We will make button, and that button we give image for it, like background image for it. If we come here, let's select our project. Let's the view control come up. We choose view controller sense, view controller here, view. Here's our view. We go to library, add, then button. We add it here. We click the button. Here our button come. Let's make more space here. Let me make this one bigger. Drag this one little. Okay. And if we come here, if we choose the button, if we come to background, we make it custom. We come to the image, we choose image. Already we have all image that we added on assist. We give a name for it like 1. It will become up, the number 1 will come up. If we see the plain text here button, we can delete it. Okay, here we have it. We can give a width and height size for it. Apple says that 44 is the more suitable one for buttons, that if we make buttons inside our apps. So you can check that in developer Apple. We make the size according to that. We can make it smaller even by choosing it and making smaller size. Then we copy it as we have. If we calculate how much we have buttons here, we will have each row, it will be 4. We have 4 rows, it will be 16 buttons. So we'll make copy one row, and then we make it side by side. So then we can make copy row by row, or we can copy double and paste it. we make it. Now we paste it again. We make it little down there. After that, we can paste it again, another row, third row, then fourth row as well. So we have 4 buttons of calculator. Here we have, now we have 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, we have all of that. We can change it from image here, from background. We make it 2, we make it 3, we make it the other one 4, 5, 4, and the other one will be 5, and the other one will be 6 and 7, 8, 9, and all numbers we will add it one by one until we come to the last one. Okay, and 7, and we have 8 as well, and 9. Okay, and also we have 0. We don't forget 0. We add 0 here as well. We have this one, we'll delete it. This, the equal sign is a little bigger, so we delete one and we make that bigger size, so it fits the image that you will use it. You will change that image. Now, right now we will make it equals, because equals, it's a little bigger than the usual ones, buttons. We can make other ones like add button. We make add. Let's give add for it. Okay, we make also minus, and then the multiply will be times. According to image that we use it in assist, we import it there. And also you can change the file name there also if you want to change the divide. This is all our buttons come up. We select all of them. You make it little downside. We still have one label, we should add it later, so we show the result on it. It will come down a little. After that, and let me select this problem selection. So let me try to select it again. We can select it in this way also. If we didn't get selection here, we can try select one by one. If you have this problem, you can select it from that navigation on the left side. You can choose it. Sometimes it's application getting problem. I don't know why it's getting like it's not crash or freezing, something like that. If we choose the button by button here from here as well, we can do that. Okay, by choosing control and the mouse clicking of left click. If you use Mac, you can use command and select one by one. We forget one also, I think that there is still one there. Okay, we'll make it here. We'll come back to take that other one as well. So here is our layout, will be like this. Our user interface for calculator. We continue another one and make stack for it.